bullets to rip through tissue. Better say your last goodbyes, cause your fam gon' miss you. A shooting star, so them headshots is not gon' miss you. A young coach, so I'm playing games with her mental.
Back with another reaction, bringing Bob Dylan back to the stage. Reoccurring Bob Dylan back to the stage of his channel. I might add, this is a song called A Hard Rain's Gonna Fall. I've never heard this song by Bob Dylan. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna tune in, zone in, and try to get a full gist of it, but I'm probably gonna wind up listening to it 2 or 3 more times to really get the whole gist of the song. So let's go down the rabbit hole of Bob.
And where have you been, my darling young one? I've stumbled on the sides of 12 misty mountains. I'm walking and crawling 6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's a hard rains are gonna fall. Oh, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? And what did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. I saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men with their hammers bleeding. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard rains are gonna fall. Oh, what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of thunder that roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. I heard one person starve, I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard the sounds of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard rains are gonna fall. And who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? And who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman whose body was burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard, and it's hard rains are gonna fall. And what'll you do now, my blue-eyed son? And what'll you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out for the rain starts to fall in. I'll head for the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding their waters, where the home in the valley meets the damp, dirty prison, and the executioner's face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, where black is the color and none is the number. And I tell it and think it and speak it and breathe it, and reflect from the mountains so all souls can see it. Then I stand on the ocean until I start sinking. I'll know my song well before I start singing. And it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard, and it's a hard rains are gonna fall.
And that was Bob Dylan, and All Rain's Gonna Fall. Definitely can't believe Bob Dylan was 20 when he wrote this song. Just a greatly crafted song. The words that he's saying resonates till today. Especially the part where he says, where the people are a many and their hands are all empty, where the pallets of poison are flooding their waters, where the home in the valleys meet the damp, dirty prisons. I mean, this goes on today. I mean, look at Ohio, Palestine, the train wreck that happened up there, you know, where their waters are poisoned. This song is just a great song. I know I missed a lot. I'm gonna go back and listen to the song. He said a whole lot of information, and you know, all of the information that he's saying is still goes on till this day. It is crazy. This song is like a time capsule, and I'm pretty sure like 100 years after this is people are still gonna gravitate towards the song. Hopefully what his words that he's saying is still not going on 100 years from now, but just a great song. I love the just the intensity of the song, the message of the song. He definitely had a purpose. And you know, me picking up now, I've just been listening to him for like 4 months, and I've just been, you know, at all of his talent. He is a true artist, and the way he crafts his words is just, you know, bar none. I have never heard it said the way he said it. But definitely, if you guys have any comments, put in the comment box. Like, subscribe, share, donate, support the channel.
2 through 3s and F&M bullets to rip through tissue. Better say your last goodbyes, cause your fam gon' miss you. A shooting star, so them headshots is not gon' miss you. A young coach, so I'm playing games with her mental.